Hi, Chanel from Tips and Tricks HQ here, and in this tutorial, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the free PayPal donations plugin for WordPress. This plugin allows you to add donation buttons on your website sidebar or inside a page or post using the provided shortcode. A simple yet useful piece of software for anyone who runs a charitable organization and wishes to include a payment button that their visitors can use to donate to a cause. Once we take a look at the settings configuration of the PayPal donations plugin, we'll look at how the standard shortcode can be added to a WordPress page. Adding additional parameters to the shortcode will allow you to alter certain information for that button compared to the default amounts entered in the settings. This allows you to add multiple donation buttons across your website that differ from one another. When your website visitors go to make a donation, the good news is that they will not need to have a PayPal account. While they will have the option to use their PayPal for a quicker checkout option, they can also choose to pay with their credit or debit card. Now that we've touched on the basic usage of the PayPal donations plugin by Tips and Tricks HQ, you'll need to head to the WordPress.org website and download your free copy of this plugin to begin. So you simply just come to the PayPal donations page and you'll need to just click that download button. That will give you your free download of that plugin and it will be located in your computer's download file. If you then head on to your WordPress website, under plugins, you'll just need to add that plugin in and then go ahead and activate it. Once you've activated the PayPal donations plugin, under your WordPress settings menu, you'll see a submenu titled PayPal donations. This is where you'll be able to complete all the configuration that is necessary to get this plugin started on your website. So when you come to the PayPal donations menu, just click on that General Settings tab. You shouldn't need to go to the Advanced tab unless you wish to delve in the advanced settings. So we'll just be taking a look at those general settings. You'll need to enter in your PayPal email address, or you can enter in your secure merchant account ID. So I've just gone ahead and entered in my PayPal email as I know that off by heart. So that'll be the email that you want any donations to be sent to. So make sure that you've put your correct PayPal account in there. You'll then need to select the currency that you wish to be paid in. So there's a number of currencies that you can choose from. For myself, I'll be picking US dollars. Down a bit further, there's some optional settings, and one of these is a return page URL. So this is basically a thank you page that you can specify for your customers to be returned to after a successful donation payment. So you might like to have a nice thank you page that thanks the customer for their donation to the cause. So you just paste the URL of that page in there. If we scroll down further, you can have a set donation amount. If you put a set donation amount, your customer won't be able to choose how much they'd like to donate. So if I put 5 in here, all of my customers will have to donate 5 USD. So I like to leave this blank and I like to allow the customer to choose the donation amount. So as a minimum of PayPal requirements, they'll need to donate 1 USD, but other than that, it's up to them. So they can donate anything from 1 USD to 1,000 USD. That's entirely up to them if you leave this blank. You can add the purpose, which will come up on their PayPal transaction. So the purpose is pretty important. You may want to have what the cause is about. I've just put in help save the elephants as an example. You can have a reference for the donation. So again, you might like to say something about saving the elephants or whatever your cause is in that reference. Then you can go ahead and select the type of donation button that you'd like to display on your website. So you can choose between a small donate, a larger donate with some of the icons of the credit cards, or you can have a custom button. So if you'd like to use a custom image, you just click that custom button icon there, and then you'll need to paste in the URL from your media library of that custom button. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. For now, I'll go with the normal donate button. Choose the country and language. I've gone with the US. Now all that's left to do is click that Save Changes button. Once you've saved those settings, you're ready to either put the widget in your sidebar that'll show your PayPal donation, or you can go ahead and create a page or a post and enter in the shortcode that again will display your PayPal donation button that we've just set up in here. So I've gone ahead and I've just added a new page there to just show you how you can enter PayPal donation shortcode. So if you give your page a title and then you click to add a block, you'll need to pick that shortcode block, so the add shortcode, and then you'll need to paste in the following shortcode, PayPal donation. So that'll just bring up your basic PayPal donation button that we created earlier from the PayPal donations menu. So if I go ahead and I publish that page out and I view my page, you'll see that basic donate button. If I head back to that page, you can add in some different parameters. So say for this button, I want a different image. I can go button underscore URL equals, and then from my media library, if I want to use this as my button image, I can just simply copy that link and then I can paste that in there. And then if I update that page and we view that page again, for that shortcode, you can see it's that button, although the other widget button will remain as that one that we created in the settings menu. So that's how you can have multiple different buttons within your one WordPress site using the PayPal donations plugin. So that's how basically you can set up your donation button on a page or a post. If you're wanting to add the widget in, just simply go to Appearance and then Widgets. And from here, you'll see the PayPal donation option. So you can drag that into your sidebar. I've already got one there, but I'll just quickly show you. You can add a title, you can add some text, you can add the purpose, and you can add a reference if you wish to. Click Save. And then if you head to the front of your website, you'll see that that donate button shows up on your sidebar. So here's the one I created earlier, and then we just went ahead and we created this new button. So then anyone who's coming to your website will be able to go to any of your donation buttons that you've created and click on them, and then they'll be able to make a donation. So it's here, if you've set a donation amount such as $5, they'll only have that option to donate $5. But if you haven't set an amount, they'll be able to enter in an amount of their choosing and donate with their PayPal account or with their credit card. So that brings me to the end of this tutorial on the PayPal donations plugin for WordPress by Tips and Tricks HQ. If you'd like to give this plugin a try, simply go to wordpress.org, and again, it is a free plugin, so you can just download it from there and add it to your WordPress website.